look at this, these are slightly advanced products from these basic savings and credit products. And what is required is that these insurance and pension products need to be built on these saving accounts which are opened with the banks. When a customer is provided with a smart card which provides him the facility to withdraw cash and deposit cash, the same card should enable him to pay his premium and receive his claim. The same card should enable him to pay his pension installments. See, that kind of integration, I think we have to aim at. Because when we are talking about financial inclusion, we are talking about the mainstream banking, that is the commercial banks, regional rural banks, cooperative banks, which can offer the bouquet of services of financial products to the customer, to the last mile client. So most of the efforts are on standalone basis as far as insurance and pension are concerned. So these need to be integrated with the bank accounts to happen the total comprehensive financial inclusion. Now I am also trying to put in perspective the penetration part of the insurance and these pension products. Take a case of life insurance, only 10% of the insurable population is insured. That means 90% is exclusion. Talk of general insurance, only 5% or so. Again, exclusion is very high. Pension also the same scenario. Take a case, see the people who are in urban areas who are having some income, they are having a rural regular income. There also the insurance is sold as a saving or tax saving product. It is not sold as an insurance product to cover the risk. That is the scenario in this country right now. Now when we want to sell this product to a rural person of low income, what has to be done to convince him to cover his risk? Number one, when he is not having a regular income, his income is only once or twice in a year. So how the premium is to be adjusted according to that, and how you will convince him to cover his life or his product, which is a very difficult scenario. So lot of efforts in these directions are required. What I am trying to say here is the literacy part when educating a farmer or a low income person, the basic literacy part, that is a saving and taking loan and all that. Apart from that, there has to be exclusive insurance literacy. There has to be a pension literacy kind of thing. Then only these things on a repeated basis need to be provided. Then only he will be convinced to come along with this kind of and accepting these products. As far as we are concerned, we are providing some support to the banks from our funds, which are promotional fund and the technology fund. And most of the banks have gone for a smart card based ICT solution model. But to start with, there is only a saving and credit kind of thing is happening there. There is a need for these additional products like your insurance and your pension. Recently, we have also considered a research-based kind of pension product for one agency.